In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Asana. Whether you're someone who prefers working with a darker interface for comfort or just want a change of scenery, activating dark mode in Asana is a simple process. Follow along as we walk through this step by step, ensuring that by the end you'll be enjoying Asana in a whole new light, or should I say, lack thereof. First, let's navigate to the Asana website. If you haven't already, open your preferred web browser and type asana.com into the address bar. This will lead you directly to Asana's homepage, which is your hub for accessing all the project management tools Asana offers. Once you land on the homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll find the Login option here. Click on it to proceed. If you are not logged in already, it's time to do so using your credentials. You can enter your email and password, or to simplify the process, click on Continue with Google for a quicker login. If you choose to use Google, simply select your account from the list that appears. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention again to the top right of your interface where you'll find your profile icon. Clicking on your profile will reveal a drop-down menu. From here, select Settings to access the additional customization options available to you. Next, within the Settings menu, look for the Display tab. Clicking on Display opens up more options, allowing you to alter the appearance of your Asana interface to better suit your needs or aesthetic preferences. Focus now on the Theme drop-down option you'll find within the Display settings. This option will let you choose from several themes to further personalize your Asana experience. Click on Theme and a list of options will appear. Finally, you'll want to select Dark from this drop-down list. Simply clicking on Dark will activate the dark mode setting, transforming the bright Asana interface into a sleeker, dark-colored version, which can help reduce eye strain and perhaps even make the interface more visually appealing for you, especially during late-night work sessions. And there you have it, folks. With these simple steps, you've successfully enabled dark mode in Asana. Enjoy navigating your tasks and projects with a new, stylish look that not only adds a bit of flair, but can also provide some comfort for your eyes as you manage your day-to-day activities. Remember, you can always switch back to the light theme or explore other visual options within the display settings if you want a change anytime in the future. Thanks for watching and happy task managing.